I'm going to be very brief. I just want to talk about some of the facts. Let's face it, there was a settlement, and the settlement, which we were not a party to, right? That's a fact. We were not a party to the settlement, stipulated that 750 affordable housing units have to be built in 31 of the least diverse municipalities, and we were one of those 31 municipalities. Okay? Now, if you divide 750 by 31, that comes out to 24, but we can round it up to 25. Okay? Now, there's no quota in the settlement, and again, we were not a party to the settlement. Okay? But it seems to me that the town board likes to ignore those facts and likes to hide behind the settlement to use it as a sword to pass your agenda, which is to build as many affordable housing units as possible. Now, you, in fact, have said tonight, Susan, and last meeting, that you would like more affordable housing units. You also said tonight that we haven't built any affordable housing units in 20 years. Now, I know you didn't forget that 20 units were approved at Chapka Crossing. Okay, now, is it our fault that they haven't begun construction? No. Okay, so 20 units have already been approved. So let's assume, I wish I had a blackboard, we'd all know what I would do, but let's assume that we did have a quota. Well, that would mean we need 4 more, but there is no quota. Okay, so now we have 20 units at Chapka Crossing, and we have 28 units here. That adds up to 48 units, way above the quota. So, Susan, my question to you is, when you say we would want more affordable housing, because you're already assuming this is going to be done, because you're saying, you know, this is basically, we're getting these, so we would want more. Who's the we?
Rob,
Who's the we?